Hey, what's up everybody? So today in this video what we're going to do is we're going to be unboxing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, the creator combo. I literally just took this off to get it started. We're going to open it up and see what we got in the box. So this is how it comes. Tells you at the back there all the things that you get. You get obviously the Osmo Pocket 3, you get a protective cover, you get the DJI Mic 2 transmitter, you get a handle with 1/4 inch thread, a battery handle, a mini tripod, a Type-C PD cable, a carrying bag, a DJI Mic 2 clip magnet, DJI Mic 2 windscreen. They also give you a wide angle lens, and they give you the DJI wrist strap, so you can, I guess, put it around your wrist so you don't lose it. So let's get right into it. Like I said, I just took this off to get us started, but it seems like I'm already having trouble opening it. So that's a little silica gel. Nobody wants that. Let's pull out this here. And see how it comes. So I pulled this out. Let's see what's in there. So I'm guessing this is the travel case with a bunch of stuff inside. Let's see what we got inside here. Cool. Okay. So is this the camera or not? Okay, so this is the actual camera. As you can see, it's pretty damn small, man. I didn't know it was going to be this small. Rotate screen, so we can pull this off the screen cover there. Now, I'm not going to be churning it on and stuff. I'm going to do that later, but yeah, so that's the camera. First things first. Let's see what else we got in this bag. Then we get... looks like some kind of battery attachment. So there's this, which I believe is the battery handle. So that would go into here. No. There you go. There's a green light there. I don't know what that means. I guess it's telling us that it's connected, it's charged or something. Oh. And now it's showing that it is 56% battery on that, and on the bottom it was what? Oh man, I think I started it. I don't want to do this stuff right now, like I said. But that's what we got so far. Put that down right there. See what else we got in here. So this is our DJI Mic 2, I believe. It's got a little clip on it as well. So that's that. Now this is... This is that, the thread that they said, what was it? The handle with 1/4 inch thread. So you can, I guess, attach this to the bottom of the mic handle here. And then it's got the thread here, so you can screw it into like a tripod. So that's kind of cool. What else do we got in this bag? As you can see in the bag, though, it's tight, man. So it's like once you take out these things, to put everything back how it was, it's going to be a little tight. But that's what it is. I'm guessing this is probably the tripod for it. So yeah, this is the tripod that you can screw into the back, into the bottom of here. And just like a tripod would do, it opens up like that. So that's that. Now what else we got in this bag? There's our USB-C cable. That's what we got in there. This, I believe, is the windscreen for the microphone. And the strap, yeah. So this is the windscreen for the microphone, which has looks like a little clip that you put into the mic. So yeah, as you can see, there's the hole here. There's a little clip right there. And you are able to put that in there. So this is like if it's windy outside, you know what I mean, for your noise. This is the wrist strap that was also there with the windscreen. And some more silica gel. And there's one more or two more little things that I see here. This looks like it is the wide angle lens. I could be wrong. .75 times 15 millimeters. I believe that's the wide angle lens that they give you. So I'm going to put that over here for now. And there's one more thing that I see here, which is, it looks like it's the magnet for the mic. So I don't know how this works. Let's see. Oh, cool. Oh, it really gets on there, buddy. Okay, you slide that off. So that's our mic, and this is the magnet, so you can like put this on your shirt, you know what I mean, attach it like onto there. And as you can see, it's got a nice grip onto it. So that's that. That's all that we have in this bag here. Now let's see what else there is here in the box. Move this stuff here. This looks like it is the protective case. If I could only open it. There we go. I gotta give it to DJI, man. Like, this is the third product from them that I bought. I bought the DJI Mini 3. I have the Osmo Mobile, which is what I'm using right here to hold up the phone right now. And their packaging is nice, man. Everything comes like nice, organized. It's very, very, very good. So this is the protective cover. I don't really know how it works, to be quite honest with you. I don't know. Here it says wide angle lens, if you can see there. And then it says something pro black mist. I don't know what any of that means. But I don't know how to put it in either, to be honest. I don't know. I'm going to have to figure that out. They do give us this instruction thingy, though, actually. Protective cover, which says that, so if I take this out, the bottom, you take it out. Oh, so take it apart, you press this button and then pull down. So I'm guessing, according to the picture here, this bad boy goes in there like this. Well, that's not helping right now. See, I don't even know how to turn it off right now. It's on. I want to turn it off so I can, like, you know, play with it accordingly. try putting it like this. Okay, so I believe it goes like that, more or less. That's your protective cover. Is there anything else in this box? Nope, that's empty. And the only remaining things in the box are a QR code to download like an app if you want to play with it. We got the quick start guide here as well. We have another like instruction booklet, creator combo. What is this? I believe this is for like warranty or something, because I'm not sure, because it's in Chinese over here, but there's spaces to like write stuff into. And I believe they gave us some stickers. I remember they gave me these when I got the DJI Mini 3, so I'm assuming these are stickers as well. So yeah, you get this sticker, DJI. You get this sticker, and you get all of these stickers. So that's it, man. That is the creator combo. Like I said, I'm not gonna play with it right now. You just saw me literally unbox it. I don't want to like break anything, plus you got to set it up. But yeah, so that's what you get. You get obviously the Pocket 3, you get a protective cover, you get a battery handle, you get a tripod, you get a wrist strap, you get a USB-C cable, you get this little thread thingy. I can't remember the name. The name is the handle, so you can attach it to a tripod. And you get a mic with the wind cover and a mic clip, so you can attach it to like your shirt, jacket, whatnot. And then you get this wide angle lens, which I'm not going to attempt to put on now, but this is the creator combo. I'm just happy I was able to swoop it up, because this is literally like sold out everywhere. I was lucky enough to find it on this like drone website, but on Amazon it was sold out, Best Buy was sold out, so yeah. And then you get the travel case. So that's pretty much it. This is us unboxing the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 creator combo. In case you guys are interested in getting it, just want to show you what you get, how it comes, and that is it. In the next video, I'm going to try to play around with it a little bit, maybe get some footage. You guys can see the footage from it and audio from it. But until next time, that is it. So make sure to subscribe for more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next video. All right, peace.